How to delete all chats in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can delete all chats on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to delete all chats in Messenger, you can try going ahead and then opening the Messenger application. Now Messenger will not allow you to delete all of the chats at once, so instead what you have to do is just long press on a particular chat and tap the delete option if you'd like to delete everything within that chat. Now sometimes let's say that you don't want any of the chats. In that case, the only way you can do this is by deleting your Facebook account or your Messenger account in itself. So to do this, what you can try to do is you can try to open the Facebook application here, tap the three lines option, then tap the gear icon here, and then go to account center, scroll down, and instead go to this option known as personal details, and then go to account ownership and control, go to deactivation or deletion, and then tap on the Facebook option, and over here just select delete, tap the continue option in order to successfully delete this. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically delete all chats on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.